This is 2020. It's the Ram 1500 Rebel package with the 5.7 Hemi in it. We just put some nice 5-inch black exhaust tips on there. The factories have a 4.5-inch rolled. We put a double-walled 5-inch, fills up the hole a little better. Took the rear resonators off on both sides and put a nice straight through wide open Magnaflow muffler where the factory muffler was, but left it all factory up front as we always do on these, and then just give it a good melotone sound. Let's see what it sounds like.